Welcome back to Tecnoguia's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your TikTok account. We go to TikTok and line, and you don't log to your account and go to the upper left options, press in, and we can see the option suspended account. Press in or forgot, for example, forgot the problem, and you can self-service solution that detect if your account have been suspended. Okay, and continue with Google. Here you must infer the problem. In my case, my account is great, but your account it doesn't great, and you must comment the us if you need your account for job, and you can help other person, and you will do things well and continue with TikTok, and then contact with us for the problem, and your account will grade. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.